Guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful Monday morning, and of course guys, it is the time for the week trending market for the week. Okay, it is the time for the trending market for the week, and we usually do this every Monday morning in order for us to have a proper trading guide throughout the week. And of course, just like you guys have known, we will be checking out the higher time frame. Okay, we will be checking out the higher time frame in order for us to analyze the market together, check out the direction of the market, and of course we get to know how to go about it. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to show you to my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or the strategies shared in my videos. Do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to learn the strategy, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Remember, we'll be doing it on the higher time frame, so you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame in order for you to get a positive result. Okay, so this is very important, because any little pullback on the higher time frame can be a major reversal on the lower time frame. So guys, quickly let's head on to the charts right away and see what the market will be giving to us this week. Okay, let's do that right away. Okay guys, this is Boom 1000. I'm using the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me reduce the horizontal lines that I'm having right here, and of course, so that we can have a proper view of the charts. Okay, this has actually been on uptrend for months, and of course it has gotten to the resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So it started a downtrend right from there, even though there are pullbacks in between, and of course it has not been able to break out below this support zone. Okay, so we want it to break out below this support zone, so it should be selling more also. Okay, so this is still going to be on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, so you should take note of that. The next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is Boom 500, and of course I had this mapped out last week. I said it is playing in between this channel. Okay, so just the way we're saying, it is still playing within it, and of course it is heading towards the end part of this channel now. If it breaks out below it, it will sell more, but if it does not, it will go back up again to see if it will be able to break out above it, above the resistance zone right here. Okay, so this is still on downtrend at the moment. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, most especially today, it is creating more of a bearish candle than a bullish candle. Okay, so we should also take note of that. Okay, remember, I'm using the daily time frame to do my analysis right here. Okay, so this is Crash 1000, and of course this had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. It had a major pullback, but had a stop at this resistance zone, which led to a sell again, and of course it was unable to break out below this support zone, so it had another pullback around there, and right here again it also had another sell, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend, except if it is unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is Crash 500, still on daily time frame. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, but after getting to this support zone, it's unable to break out below it, and of course it's going back on buy trend right from here. Okay, so it's giving us more of an of a of an uptrend than a downtrend, even though it's finished yesterday's candle with a bearish pattern, and of course today it has started with a bearish pattern, and of course we are not sure if it will go throughout today, okay, because it's unable to break out above this resistance zone. That is why we are that. Okay, so probably once it is done with a pullback, then may likely go back into an uptrend and see if it will break out above this resistance zone. But in this week we should experience more of a bullish pattern than a bearish pattern, so we should be experiencing more of an uptrend because it has not been able to break out below this support zone. You can see it has tried it out several times, it has not been able to break out below it, so may likely go back into a full uptrend right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so quickly let's check out V75. Okay, this is V75. Right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend, and you can see it has been selling and selling and selling, even though it is at this support zone, but it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back on uptrend, but for now it is still more of a downtrend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today, I mean for this week. Okay, so we should understand every part of the strategy so that you will know how to go about it, and we will be able to take good advantage of the market like that. Okay, but if you are unable, I mean, you should also know that you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp so that we can trash out whatever issues you are having. And of course, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.